Hey, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo clamp WingBar Evo base roof rack system for the 2017 Volvo S90 sedan with a bare roof. This system comprises three components. You've got the Evo clamp foot pack set of four, and the WingBar Evo load bars in black or silver, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit, which includes the necessary components to have these parts fit this vehicle perfectly. So let's go over some of the key parts of the fitting kit. Here we have an example of the metal door frame brackets, which you'll include four of the metal door frame brackets, and then four of the rubber contoured base pads. These have numbers associated to them, which correspond to numbers that are listed in the manual. Let's go ahead and show how those will interface with one of the feet. So here you have one of the Evo clamp feet. We'll just take off the outer cover. Now, Thule provides a sticker to indicate exactly what foot this will be for. So we've identified it as the front left. And so we've made sure that we've looked at the manual and pulled the numbers for that position. All you have to do is just take that rubber base and press it around the perimeter. And then the metal door frame bracket just inserts and clicks into place. Okay, the other key component is the load bar. So here's a segment of the load bar. We've cut it so that you can see the construction. It's an extruded aluminum with a sophisticated box beam construction. You have a dedicated track on the top of the bar to accommodate certain accessories. That track is accessible when you flip open the end cap, and you can slide the particular mounting hardware in between the two pieces of rubber without cutting the rubber, and you can move that hardware anywhere along the length of the bar, getting optimum positioning for that component. Also, you'll notice there is a track on the underside here to accommodate the foot, and here we have a measuring indicator. So there are numbers that are corresponding, scale numbers that correspond to the instruction sheet included with the fit kit to make sure that the foot is placed properly on the bar. So let's go ahead and do that. So we'll just remove the end cap here temporarily. Now Thule's made it simple to make that interface. You'll notice that there is these silver tabs. So we'll just press in on the silver tab and then slide the foot into place up against your slide scale that's been positioned correctly. Next, you'll notice there's some exposed track, and that track can be filled with rubber that's included to maintain the proper aerodynamics. Just press that into place and you filled the gap and you continue to have good aerodynamic performance. Okay, let's go ahead and put the end cap back into place. And with the end cap into place, that just snaps as you see. Now you also have a outer cover, and that outer cover again just snaps into place. Included with the system is just a plastic plug. You give that a quarter turn and that holds that cover in place. You also have a tool that's included that you use to fasten and secure the foot to the vehicle. As you tighten that, once it's fully tightened, it'll click, indicating it's been tightened securely to the correct torque measurement. With that done, you can put your cover back into place, give that a quarter turn. You do have the option to replace that plastic plug with a metal lock cylinder, as you see here. So the metal lock cylinder would take the place of the plastic plug and give you a keyed theft deterrent, which is part of Thule's one key system. That one key system allows for key matching not only all four of your feet, but other accessories that you may have attached to the load bars that are part of Thule's one key system. Okay, so those are all the key features of the Thule Evo Clamp WingBar Evo base roof rack system for the 2017 and beyond Volvo S90. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the links in our video description for complete details on these individual components, links back to rackattack.com for the individual components, for pre-configured rack systems for this vehicle, as well as a more in-depth installation video on a vehicle so you can see how this product attaches to a vehicle completely. Thanks for watching.